Hey friends, if the Windows theme is not syncing on your computer, which means you tried changing the theme and it didn't work, then please try this. So, first of all, theme sync should be enabled. So, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the personalization tab, and try to sync it from here. Or try changing the theme and then changing it back. Okay, so this is how you do it, and make sure that it also shows in the theme section here. So this is very important. The next one is to perform an SFC scan, because there is no other reason for this problem to occur other than broken and missing and corrupt files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last one is to update your computer and then restart it, which is very easy. Right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates. Now, right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out, and then finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.